a super cold morning here in Virginia, scoping out some whitetails and hopefully get some good shots. It's still pretty dark. We have a lot of does out in this field, and hopefully a big old buck will come by and we can get a nice photo. It's about 14 degrees and kind of brisk, but it's a beautiful morning, and hopefully we'll see some nice bucks and hopefully get some nice photos. Okay, so this is a good lesson learned, and I know better, but when you go out in these type of temperatures unprepared, you're not going to be able to stay out very long. I went out twice, was able to get a couple shots of some whitetails, but it's 15 degrees, and I did not bring my winter gloves or my bib overalls or anything like that, and you can't stay comfortable out here like this when you're not prepared. So just a lesson learned, and a tip to anybody that's going to venture out in 15 degree temperatures: just make sure you're prepared, and you can have a much more enjoyable experience and also get better photos. But we're going to be a lazy photographer for a few minutes and see if we can get something from the car. So, thanks for bearing with me here. Things don't always work out like you plan when you go out and do photography, and sometimes you have to be prepared for uncomfortable situations and disappointments, but that's what makes it challenging, and that's what is intriguing about it. So I'm stalking this big buck. He's right over the hill here. Try to sneak up without disturbing him and get a shot. I'm out of breath because I've been trying to get close to him, but I don't really want to, get him nervous or shake him up, because I try to be very ethical when I'm photographing wildlife. But we're going to see if we can get a good shot without disturbing him, and we'll see what happens. But he's right up over this hill, so we're going to sneak up. Okay, I just got back to my car after taking some photos of a couple nice whitetails. I must say that was one of the most thrilling experiences I've ever had with whitetails. These deer reside in a protected area. It's not fenced in or anything, but it's a park where no hunting is allowed. So the deer are pretty acclimated to people, and I don't like disturbing their natural movements and anything like that. So I was real careful, but I was able to lay on the ground and get really close to this really nice 9-pointer, and he didn't seem bothered at all. He was really comfortable. I was able to get some video footage. I'm not sure what that's going to look like until I get it on the computer. Probably some of the best whitetail photos I've ever had the opportunity to take. So I'm really excited, and I hope you enjoyed the video. It's still 15 degrees. I will be honest, when your adrenaline's pumping and you're this close to a beautiful wild animal, I don't even really feel cold. And that's kind of funny, because earlier when I wasn't getting a lot of action, I was freezing. But such a privilege to be able to be out and enjoy nature and these beautiful wild animals. If you ever get the opportunity, just go out and do it. It takes patience, it takes a little effort, and sometimes you get cold. But you can do it, and just go out and do your best and enjoy the time that you can have outside. A lot of times you don't get what you're looking for, but it's the thrill of the chase, and it makes it so much more gratifying once you really get that good shot. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support, and until next time, take care.